Stop losing papers. Scan, combine, rename, and email PDFs with the OneDrive app in 5 minutes. Have you ever had accounting call you 3 weeks later asking for a gas receipt you know you had but can't find? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to take multiple paper receipts, turn them into one clean PDF, name it correctly, and email it right from your phone. In construction, this is what we call basic digitization. No process redesign, no new system rollout, no training sessions, just fixing one task everyone hates, losing receipts, and proving that technology can actually make life easier. All you need is your phone and the OneDrive app installed on it. Most crews already have it. If you can take a photo, you can do this. Open the OneDrive app on your phone. Tap the plus sign in the bottom corner. Select Scan. Now take photos of your papers, receipts, warranties, contracts, whatever you've got. After each scan, tap Add to include the next piece. Don't worry about the order. Don't worry about lighting. The app automatically cleans everything up. Once all your papers are scanned, tap Finish. If you need to reorder pages, tap Reorder and drag them into the correct sequence. This part is important. Accounting doesn't want 5 separate photos. They want one clean file. Before you send it, rename the file, not Scan 001. If you are scanning receipts for a construction job, you may use this format: name, job, expense, date. This single step eliminates most follow-up calls from accounting. Now go to My Files and save the PDF in the appropriate project folder. If it's a larger, multi-page file, give it a minute to upload. Once you see the file, tap the 3 dots, then select Share. If you're sharing internally, you can send a link directly. If you're sending it externally, choose Send a Copy, then select Mail. If you are scanning receipts for a construction job, use a consistent subject line format like Receipts, Job 214, Jan 9. Body text, attached are today's receipts, and send it. That's it. You just eliminated lost receipts. Guessing expenses weeks later. Office staff chasing paperwork. And you did it in under 5 minutes. Pilot this with one foreman for 1 week. If accounting closes books faster and no one is hunting for receipts, you'll know the tool is working. Start small. Show value. Then scale.